In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use copy on Shopify. Clear, consistent wording across your store makes a huge difference, and today we'll update product copy and the text that appears in your theme. Start by opening your Shopify admin in a browser and signing in. This dashboard is your control center. From here, look to the left-hand menu and click Products. This is where all of your items live. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to quickly find what you need. Choose a product you want to improve. On the product page, focus first on the title. Keep it straightforward and searchable, including the key details a shopper expects, like the product type or a defining feature. Next, move to the description. Write a short opening line that explains the main benefit, then add a few clear sentences covering materials, sizing or fit, and what makes it unique. Use the rich text tools to add headings, line breaks, or links so the content is easy to scan. As you edit, think about your brand voice and the questions customers typically ask. When the product copy looks right, your changes will be ready to save a bit later. Now let's adjust the website copy that frames your store. In the left menu, go to Online Store, click Themes, and choose Edit to open the theme editor. You'll see a preview of your storefront and a panel of sections. Open the header to refine your tagline, menu labels, or announcement text. Move to the footer to clarify contact links or policy wording. On the homepage sections and any banners, edit headings and subheadings so they speak directly to your customer and match the tone you used on products. While you're here, update the text on buttons, promo banners, and announcement bars. Keep buttons action-oriented with verbs like shop, learn, or subscribe, and make sure the text fits on mobile. For promos, be specific and timely. For announcements, keep it concise so it doesn't overwhelm the page. When you're satisfied, click Save to apply your changes. Give the page a moment to update, then preview your storefront and a product page to confirm everything reads smoothly and there are no typos or cut off lines. That's it, your Shopify copy is now consistent, clear, and ready to convert. If you ever need to revisit your edits, simply return to these same areas, refine the language, and save again. Small, regular tweaks, tightening headlines, clarifying benefits, and choosing active, plain language build momentum over time and help more visitors understand your offer and take the next step.